So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today again, we're gonna be making some slimes. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. So I got here my slime. So leave a comment down below if you like my slime. And leave a comment too down below if you love slimes. So today we're just gonna be making some simple slime. So we all need glue, Elmer's glue all, and some activators. So as my first video of the slime, I usually put this in a empty bottle of glue. So we have here a stick and containers. Okay, let's clean it first because it's wet up because of the activator. Okay, we're done. So let's put the container right there. So let's add some glue. Okay, this slime will be super small, or like just normal slime or like small slime. Okay, so let's mix it for a while. Okay, so let's add some activators. Oops. Let's add more. Okay, I need more activator. Okay. So I think it's slime already. As you can see, oh sorry guys, as you can see it's sticky, right? You can just see in the camera. Oops. It's fine if it's sticky because that was so much good. Okay, I'm gonna be like, oops, I'm gonna be stretching, oh, stretching this because I'm gonna put this slime on here. Okay guys, so I add it and it's really sticky. Okay, so don't put too much activator, right? I almost hit the camera. Okay guys, if you can hear some sounds, it's just TV. Okay, let's... Sorry. So thanks for watching. See you next video guys, and don't forget again to subscribe, like and share. Bye.